Are you ready? It's time now for AI Pie.
I'm your host, Max Headstrong.
And I'm Daisy Crumbs. This week's big story is about a mysterious explosion at the Pentagon. But first, let's look at Meta's new AI model that can recognize 4,000 plus languages.
Meta has been working on the impressive Massively Multilingual Speech or MMS project. It is a new data set that provides labeled data for over 1,100 languages. The researchers said that collecting audio data for thousands of languages was a major hurdle, because the largest existing speech data sets cover at most 100 languages. To overcome this problem, the researchers needed the voice equivalent of a Rosetta Stone, so they turned to religious texts, such as the Bible. The Bible has been translated in so many different languages. The majority of those translations have been widely studied for text-based language research. These translations have publicly available audio recordings of people reading these texts in different languages. As part of this MMS project, they created a data set of New Testament readings in over 1,100 languages. Each reading provided on average 32 hours of data on a language for their speech AI project. By adding and labeled recordings of other Christian religious readings, we have increased the number of languages available to over 4,000. Some of these languages, like Tatuyo, have only a few hundred speakers, making this project pretty important to future generations. The idea of multilingual models isn't new, as large LLMs like GPT-4 have included datasets with dozens of languages. What makes this project special is its massive size, as well as its focus on recorded voice, rather than text. Meta's preliminary research results show that this massively multilingual speech model outperforms existing models while covering 10 times as many languages fluently. Well done, Mark Zuckerberg and friends. Now back to Daisy for this week's AI News highlights.
That is incredible, Max. We hear from our sources that Palantir, the data analysis firm backed by PayPal co-founder Peter Thiel, is seeing unprecedented demand for its military-grade AI platform. This AIP is a military-grade LLM that seems to help to harden vulnerable operating systems. Palantir reps say the first version of their defense AIP will roll out this month. Google is now using AI to enhance flood forecasting. Google's AI model can predict flood events and their potential severity. This innovative early warning AI system is now helping communities prepare and may even save lives. Intel has announced Aurora, Gen AI, a competitor to AI models like ChatGPT and Bard, boasting a massive 1 trillion parameters. Aimed at complex tasks, the AI promises enhanced conversation, translation, summaries, and coding abilities. Last week, Apple released OpenAI for ChatGPT. The app quickly shot to the top of the Apple Store. As of last Friday, ChatGPT was #1 in the category for free apps, and Apple was promoting the AI tool as a must-have app in the Essentials category. On Apple's recent earnings call, CEO Tim Cook said that the tech company will weave AI into its products, but he cautioned that it would be deliberate and thoughtful in how this happens. There are a number of issues that need to be sorted, Tim added. Paradoxically, while supporting the OpenAI app, Apple has told employees to limit their use of ChatGPT, seemingly out of fear GPT may collect confidential information. The Wall Street Journal reported. Enjoy your delicious slice of apple pie. For this week, teehee.
Unlike yummy apple pie, our lead story this week crashed the stock market for 30 minutes. On Monday, investors panicked when they saw reports of an explosion at the United States Pentagon. This attack was reported by the accounts WarMonitors, BloombergFeed, as well as RD, followed quickly by dozens of other accounts trying to scoop the trending story. For around an hour, many people falsely believed there had been a mysterious explosion at the Pentagon. Government officials were forced to step in to prevent a panic. The Arlington Fire and EMS tweeted, "There is no explosion or incident taking place near the Pentagon reservation." Looks like fake news had struck the world again, with generative AI bombing a digital Pentagon. Key military experts in our office indicate the fake attack was likely carried out by stealth Mid-Journey version 4 or version 5, judging from the size of the craters. That's all for this week. If your rooster is grumpy, tell them what to do, please, Daisy.
If your rooster is grumpy, then like and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye, pie people.